The DJI Osmo 360 has been officially leaked with complete specifications and a confirmed release date. This revolutionary 8K 360-degree camera is set to challenge the Insta360 X5 and GoPro Max with its 1-inch sensor, magnetic quick-release system, and professional-grade features launching this month. Here's all we know about this upcoming release. According to leaked specifications, the DJI Osmo 360 will feature a revolutionary square sensor design. The camera is expected to include a compact 5cm touchscreen display with a resolution of 314 by 556 pixels. The leaked information suggests an innovative magnetic quick-release system that will allow seamless integration with the existing Osmo Action ecosystem. The device is rumored to maintain compatibility with Osmo Action quick-release accessories, though it will reportedly require the separately sold Osmo 360 battery extension bar for full functionality. The DJI Osmo 360 is said to use a 1-inch CMOS sensor that should deliver an impressive 120 million pixels of resolution. This substantial sensor size would represent a significant advancement in 360-degree camera technology. The sensor is expected to incorporate 2.4 micrometer pixels that should enable ultra-high dynamic range capture. The rumored pixel allocation scheme has apparently been specifically engineered to optimize 8K 360-degree filming capabilities. Combined with the leaked f/1.9 aperture specification, the sensor configuration should ensure exceptional performance, even in challenging low-light conditions. The rumored Osmo audio system should enable direct connection of two DJI microphone transmitters, allowing for high-quality audio capture from multiple speakers simultaneously. The leaked Horizon Steady 360 stabilization system should maintain perfect stability in both 360-degree and single-lens modes. Gesture control functionality will allegedly allow users to start and stop recording using hand gestures. Voice control capabilities should provide hands-free operation, keeping focus on creative endeavors. The rumored invisible selfie stick feature could create stunning third-person perspective footage without requiring post-production editing, simulating a drone-like following effect. Third-party sports data integration will reportedly support cycling and motorcycling data from Apple Watch, Garmin devices, and other fit file sources. The DJI Osmo 360 would provide excellent performance with native 8K 360-degree video recording capabilities. In single-lens mode, the camera should capture 4K footage at 120 frames per second, with a 170-degree ultra-wide field of view. For immersive 360-degree content, the camera will reportedly support 6K recording at up to 60 frames per second. The leaks also hint at 10-bit color depth support, extending to both 360-degree and standard video formats, while D-Log M mode should enhance dynamic range by preserving detail in both highlights and shadows. This configuration would provide greater flexibility for color grading during post-production workflows. The camera will reportedly support multiple video recording formats, ensuring compatibility with various editing requirements. The upcoming Osmo 360 will come with a high-performance imaging chip with superior heat dissipation capabilities. The camera will reportedly record continuously in 8K mode at 30 frames per second for up to 100 minutes on a single charge. The battery system should maintain compatibility with the existing Osmo Action range. When paired with the separately available battery extension bar, total runtime will allegedly extend to an impressive 180 minutes, making it suitable for extended shooting sessions and professional applications where battery life is critical. The DJI Osmo 360 is expected to launch officially on July 29th, with European web shops already reportedly preparing their inventory for end-of-month availability. The camera will allegedly be offered in multiple configurations, including a standard bundle for basic functionality, and an adventure combo package featuring additional accessories. DJI will position the OSMO 360 competitively against the Insta360 X5 and GoPro Max 360, likely offering similar specifications at a slightly lower price point to capture market share. The OSMO 360 appears positioned to become a leading choice for content creators seeking high-quality 360-degree imaging solutions when it launches. So, what do you think about the DJI OSMO 360? Comment below and subscribe for more leaks.